Hello traders, this video is about tomorrow's budget, which is the union budget. The government has formed, new government has formed, and tomorrow 23rd July 2024 there is a budget happening. So there are some important points to know as you are in the stock market. In this video I am going to discuss about very important things that are affecting stock market and how the last 5 years budget days are happening will be shown here, and watch this video till the end so that you will get some important insights with you. And see here the budget 2024. My team has given some important things for me, so I would like to share it with you. So the finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman is going to give the union budget for the 7th consecutive time, which is the record. So the budget is on July 2024. The brokerage firm called JM Financial has given some expectations. What are the stocks that are affecting in a good way in this budget day. So I'm going to discuss in detail about those stocks. See which stocks may benefit from union budget. This brokerage firm JM Financial has highlighted several stocks that are expected to be in focus, and I would like to suggest you don't take this as granted. There are so many factors that are affecting the markets. So this is just a speculation. The real-time market varies according to the real-time situation. So this is for educational purpose only, not for any recommendation. So the important stock here is Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, Hero Motorcorp Limited and ITC, Sumitomo Chemical India Limited, Reliance Industries Limited, Power Grid and NTPC Limited. And some other stocks are here, and you may have the doubt that why these are having benefits from in the budget day, because government is going to allocate money to these companies directly or indirectly. These companies are going to affect from the union budget. So that is the reason why these financial brokerage firm has expected that these are the stocks that are going to have some good effect in the stock market. So the other stocks that are going to have some good impact is Sanghvi Movers Limited, Bharat Electronics Limited, Bharat Forge, VA Tech Wagbag Limited, Larsen and Turbo Limited, DLF Limited, Ambuja Cements, APL Apollo, PFC and IRCON International Limited. These are the companies that are going to benefit from the union budget. Now, which sectors? You may have a doubt that which are the sectors that is having good impact to invest in those sectors earlier. So here are some sectors. FMCG sector, the firms such as Dabur India, Hindustan Unilever, Godrej Consumer and Nestle India. These are going to get some potential tax cuts. When the tax is reduced, what happens? Their profits increases. When their profits increases, that is a good thing for the economy also, for the company as well as the employees as well as the economy. Okay. And as you know that it is going to allocate money for defense, railways and infrastructure also. For that, there are some positive impacting stocks like Bharat Electronics, which is called BEL, Hindustan Aeronautics. There is higher capital spending on railway infrastructure. The stocks are going to be RVNL, Titagram Rail Systems, IRCON and BEML. Okay. And another important thing here about is the capital gains. What is capital gain? I'm going to discuss here. When you have purchased a land or a building or an apartment and you sold that apartment, for example, you have purchased it for 1 CR and you have sold it for 1.5 CR. So there is a capital gain of 50 lakh rupees. So in that 50 lakh rupees, you are going to have some taxes. Hope you understand. I'll give you another example. Sorry. So you have purchased stocks in ICICI Prudential, for example, which worth 2 lakh rupees. And when you sold that ICICI Prudential, the worth of your stocks is 3 lakh rupees, which is 1 lakh rupees profit. You're going to have the tax on the profit of 1 lakh. Okay. If the profit reduces, if the tax reduces, is it beneficial for you or not? Definitely it is beneficial for you. Why? Because the tax reduces, then your profit increases. The take home money is going to be increased really. So this is the point here. There is a speculation that the market is going to, Union Budget is will be announcing the capital gains reduction. So the capital gains is about in lands, buildings, some selling of the vehicles, the patents and the jewelry. So shares also come under this capital gains. If tomorrow Nirmala Sitharaman announces the capital gains tax is reduced, that is going to affect the markets in a good way. If she says that the capital gains tax has increased, there is some negative impact in the markets. I am saying this again. The situation, the movement of the market will definitely depend upon the current situation, not before, not after. On that particular day, the market sentiment, it will react. So I'm going to discuss about Nifty and its movement in different last 5 years budget days. Okay, I mean Nifty on budget days for the last 5 years. This is 1st February 2024, which is the interim budget that has happened given by the BJP government before the elections. So now the election happening is the union budget, which is the budget for this long fiscal year, which is the 2024 to 2025, because the new government has formed. So on that 1st February 2024, the movement is this. This is the red candle where you can see here. This is the red candle. And you can see the intraday momentum 0.78% and the closing 0.13%. Okay. Neutral. Okay. And see here, this is the about 1st February 2024, which is the candle. This is the candle. Okay. Okay. This is the candle. This is the intraday momentum, which is having 3.52% volatility, closing of 0.26% neutral. So why I am discussing all these things? Because I would like to say that if the market is reacting on that particular news in a positive way, you are going to get some bullish candles. Otherwise, there is going to be some bearish pressure in the market. So the course of action here is you have to be prepared with your action plan, like regular days, and have a look on the market and the overall sentiment. Okay. So that year, which is the 1st February 2023, the intraday movement is 3.52% volatile, which you can make some good money. Okay. Let's go to 1st February 2024, which is the, see, this is the candle, which is the bullish candle, bullish pin bar, in the sense that day the market is having some good news in the market. So it has formed a bullish pin bar like this. So this is a good one. You can see here the closing is positive 1.37%. Another one, 1st February 2021. See here. This is a big candle which is starting from the starting of the budget day. It is going to move upwards, closing at the high of that day. So see here, 4.74% positive and 4.34% positive. So next one, February 2020. This is the candle on that particular day, because February 2020 there is a COVID situation is there. During the COVID situation, what happens when the budget is allocated? The most of the money is allocated to COVID related things, which is a negative thing in the market. There are so many issues going on. On that day, there is a fall like this. Okay, this is how the last 5 years the market is reacting in budget days. No, you can see here 2.5% negative. Okay, this is also negative. According to the situation, the market reacts. And I would like to tell you one thing here. The action plan here is, just as you prepare for your day, do it. Do your pre-market analysis and just stay there in the market, as the speech or the union budget related meeting will start from 11 a.m. or 11:30 a.m. The actual meeting 11:30 a.m. Just complete your trades from 9:15 to 10:30, like that, in that period, if you are having your setup in the market. And during that moment of time period of 11:30 to 12:30 or 1 o'clock, something like that, the volatility is very high, the speculations are really high. So try to avoid that 11 to 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock slot. Just complete your trades if you're having good trades in the morning itself. This is the action plan you have to follow for tomorrow. I hope you guys, you have get some value out of this video. The main crux of this video is the movement of the market will definitely depends upon that actual day, not before, not after speculations. Just complete your trades at 10 to 10:30 a.m. and stay away from the markets, because there is going to be some high volatility in the market. If the volatility is in your side, no problem, but if it is against you, there is going to be a huge damage for you. You have to trade the markets tomorrow if you are having the high experienced person, and you know what you are doing. Then only you have to take the trades tomorrow at that particular time period. Thank you so much for watching this video.